We're gonna be doing the Ratchet Girl anthem. So
I'm Mariah. Ratchet Girl number 2.
Okay. That's the whole song. That was right.
House looking like that. Turn up on the salon that did her hair like that. What was they thinking?
I don't get it.
Go back. Try again, boo-boo. Try again, boo-boo. Ew.
OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she rich. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this hell of a picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong. See you ratchet. One by. Now with them shoes on. He ratchet. Ooh, I wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake. She ratchet. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl, a baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor with no shoes. Where's I had to get cute today. Apple bottom jean fur boots today. I had to keep it looking good, cause my baby daddy just made player. He a thug, he a shoot today. New baby, need new shoes today. And child support check get to today. Got my tracks yesterday. Hey girl, did you get the glue today? Gon' be fit up. Move, check it out my waist to 15. I got my food stamps, got a brand new piercing, brand new tag. Hey, $95 for this weed plus tax. Bounce, been a thing of a wild Spain with thumb. No red hair, this cake along. I set the track off the back of a rat that's whack. If she ever talk smack and she thinks you wrong, whatever.
She loud, my number, bye.
Ooh, here she come, girl.
Be quiet.
Hey, girl. Get it.
Turn around. Let me see who did your suing. Okay. We'll talk to you later, girl.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm about to take this hell of a picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong.
See you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. He ratchet. Ooh, I wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake.
She ratchet.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Kari.
The club is free before we leave it. Pre-game, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause kosher is my future baby daddy. Just know Mari. Got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. Pow, team dark skin.
We don't like them red bones.
Duck lip in my feet. New heavy got grip. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Chris Brown. Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then his team shut it down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then his team he wet. New camera phone go zoom. Click. You know what that mean? Bathroom. Pick. You already know throwing do. Sticks with my booty on the sink. I'm too. I'm sick. Cup his be line trick. That ain't you. And even if it is trick, you ain't you. That's a red hair trick. That ain't true. All natural trick. That ain't rude. OMG.
What do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet. Give me the phone.
I'm about to take this hell of a picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong.
See you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
He ratchet.
Ooh, I wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake.
She ratchet.
Hold on.
Wait a minute.
Who you looking at like that? I mean, what did you wanna do?
She ain't looking at you
I know
like
she
that.
ain't. The nails do come home.
Everybody like, step.
Pause.
Step.
Pause.
Step.
Pause.
Step.
What you wanna do? I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. What's up? What's up? Whatever. Whatever. She right.
Ratchet girl. Mm-hmm.